Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your WhatsApp. And then you can see right here at the top, chats, updates, and then calls. Now just tap on updates. It will then direct you to this page where you can see your status and then channels. Now just tap on this add new icon to add a new channel. You can see create channel, just tap on that. Just tap on accept and continue. So now by using this channel on WhatsApp, you will be able to reach unlimited followers. So now just tap on accept and continue to create a channel. So now we can start with creating your channel name. It's up to you what name that you like for your channel. And then after that, you can describe your channel. Adding a clear and persuasive description will help you to get more followers because they know what is your channel is all about. And then after that, just tap on create channel. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.